Hello there everyone, and we're back in the PTS, and today I'm gonna be testing the Abomination Rifle, the people's favorite, aka the assault rifle, and it works surprisingly well. And I'm gonna introduce you to the new shield breaking tech as well, which includes the Tesla cannon with the limb damage and resilient 3-star. So we're gonna shoot once or twice and then start reloading, and the damage resistance we have should be pushing us way over 1400, which should be the max amount you can deflect or reflect back. And the armor is the same as usual, with 2 reflective and 3 limit breaking, which currently don't ever work in PTS, sadly. And the buffs, all mutations are suppressed. Scoped gun damage from Awesome Tails 10. Boba has small guns. Some other very small buffs, including the Susan shooting. And then the perks should be almost the same as in the previous videos. And then the legendary perks, they should be exactly the same. So always when I'm using the smart shot and the scope setup. And the Abomination Rifle seems to be moderately quiet, so you don't actually even need the stealth boys if you're going for solos. And this is the Tesla cannon we're gonna be using. Let's see how it goes.
Alert. Unauthorized personnel detected. Activating defense systems.
So the fastest I've got with the Tesla cannon in the PTS is got rid of the shield in 2 deflected volleys, which is insanely fast. So now we start reloading, and we almost got rid of it. There we go. And as you can see, the damage numbers are pretty insane, to be honest.
Security bunker online. Take shelter.
As you can see, it's pretty strong, to be honest. If you don't have an Enclave Flamer or any else weapon with the scope that is way stronger than the assault rifle, you could even have a 3-star weapon without the pinpointers and still be able to kill it, to be honest. And here's the setup one more time. And quickly the buffs again. So small gun bubbles head. Susan shooting and some other various small buffs. So yeah, enjoy.